Technology Company are a professional supplier of high-quality pH meter, soil pH meter, DO meter, and pH test strips and chlorine tester, etc. Our products are widely used in swimming pool, hydroponic, water conservancy project, sewage treatment, aquaculture, etc. Solar Smart Monitor is a Wi-Fi connected network with the use of cell phone app. Can monitor the change of water quality in time. Through the Solar Smart Monitor, you can see more accurate, faster, and more stable to understand the true water pH, residual chlorine, salinity, ORP, PDS, EC, and so on. Wi-Fi 7-in-1 chlorine meter. Professional water quality tester is used in swimming pools. Smart chlorine meter to get 7 measurements at the same time, saving money and effort.
Zigbee wireless long-distance data transmission with smart gateway connects to Zigbee Wi-Fi, allowing you to save, manage, and share your test data on Utah or Smart Life app, which is a good helper for your pool management. Device must be used in a gateway.
USB solar power supports solar changing and USB 2 charging modes. No need to worry about running out of the power. Floating waterproof chlorometer. pH can be placed directly in the pool to float. The purpose is to let you know the first time. Water quality alarm. The highest or lower value of measurement can be set according to demand.
This is Lucy from 121. Hello everyone, this is Lucy from 121. We can provide you the best service and the highest quality products. Looking forward to cooperating with you.
See you!
See you again.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.